Alright guys, in today's recap we will be looking at my thought process for trading today, which is Monday the 26th of January 2026. So we are looking at NQ, and I managed to make 3k, which is 1k across 3 of my 50k funded accounts with Alpha Futures. So yeah, let's have a look and see how I plan this trade. So firstly, I had a quick look at the daily. I didn't spend that much time on the daily time frame, but yeah, I just had a quick look on the daily time frame. So that, okay, on the daily time frame, this volume imbalance, this gap here has already been tapped into. It's already basically been filled. So there's no objectives below on the daily time frame except maybe this volume imbalance here, but that's quite far, so we don't really have to worry about that for now, because before price would even want to ever take this, it would have to probably sweep something up here, then but okay, we have this daily gap here, but okay, it's already been tapped into. But yeah, good. Take this off and I'll move to the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, I really like this high right here. So you see the highs that I've marked out in orange. Bro, what is going on? Yeah, so I really like this high. I really like this high. I even like this high, even though this high didn't get taken out. But yeah, so I see that here. On the 4-hour, we've already taken all the sell side objectives. So we've swept this 4-hour low right here, and we managed to tap into this 4-hour gap, which I did catch a trade from somewhere around below here, and I made that was one day that I traded before, yeah, this Wednesday. Yeah, I caught a trade somewhere around there. But yeah, we have already taken all the sell side objectives. So what's left for us to take is these highs. Maybe you could trade into this gap and completely fill the gap. And yeah, we've basically taken out all these objectives. We've also filled the new week opening gap. We filled the new week opening gap, and we filled the new week opening gap, and we've traded above it. So I know that on the 4-hour time frame, right, there's no objective lower that I need to trade to. So that already puts me bullish for the day, and it tells me that my drawn liquidity for the day is higher, even though maybe I might not know the specific level that price is targeting. But okay, yeah, I had this level marked out since the day before, so it was almost perfect drawn liquidity, if I'm being honest. So I moved to the 1-hour time frame, and yeah, as I said, the volume imbalance has been filled, and we're trading above it. So let me mark this out. We have let me go on the 30-minute quickly. Okay, on the 30-minute, I've marked out 9:30, right? So I know that I'm bullish and I'm targeting either this or this, but my TP was much higher. My TP was somewhere around here. I'll show you guys when I hop into Project X. But yeah, so on the 30-minute, this is basically how it looks, and that's my drawn liquidity already set up, right? I know that I'm going long, so my drawn liquidity is already set up long. Now it's genuinely just my entry pattern. So I literally hop on the chart at 2:31. And I know that I've already seen this. I know I'm already pretty bullish. And literally cherry on top, I see that bullish PDR is again respected. You can see that, okay, on the 15, this bullish gap is getting respected. It's getting tapped into, rejected off of, and respected. This gap respected as well. So we already know that we're already bullish pre-market, and we're bullish the whole of London session. So I literally enter long somewhere around here. My entry is somewhere around here, and my stop loss was kind of below this low, or maybe at the low, yeah. And I think my risk to reward was around a 2.11, but yeah, my trade looks something like this. But yeah, it was an absolutely beautiful trade, man. No, yeah, I think TP was something like this, then maybe the entry was even worse. Maybe it was something like this. But yeah, absolutely beautiful trade, man. That is the entry. Stops went to break even around here. No, I think I waited for the 5 minutes to get filled before I put myself to break even. Then I just let the trade ride for real. So that was my thought process. Drawn liquidity got hit, you know, we got our manipulation. So we got a manipulation, then our lower time frame sweep, which we swept this low right here, and you know, manipulate into the 15-minute gap, also manipulate into a 30-minute gap. So you can see that there's a 30-minute gap right there. We manipulate into the 30-minute gap. So yeah, pretty, I guess, pretty easy price action. A lot of people did miss it because a lot of people were saying that they were waiting for this 5-minute gap to get tapped into. But in my opinion, yeah, I would say that 5-minute gap is quite obvious in a way. So it's like sometimes price wouldn't want to take it because it knows that there's a lot of limit orders down here. So I feel like sometimes, like, because sometimes Monday just moves weird, you know, and 15 minutes already been taken. It's already been given good pullback, so there's probably no need to have that. And it was like displacing aggressively. So yeah, but if we up on Alpha Futures, you know, this is how it looks. I have been copy trading 3 accounts. You see that we have the leader account and plus 2 accounts. So I've been copy trading all of them the same way. All of them look the same like this. So this is basically how January has looked for me. You know, ended up 3K on the month, ready for payout. And you can see that, yeah. So let's kind of identify a pattern here, right? Look at all the green days. None of them are actually above 5 trades, let's be real. But you see the red days, 16 trades, 13 trades, bro. So you can see that even though I've been crashing out and I've been going on tilt, so these days here I went on tilt. I'll be real, I crashed out, you know. But you just kind of want to reduce that, you know, reduce the crashing out, and just when you take a loss, love yourself enough to be able to get off the charts, you know. There's no need to take a loss and try and make it back immediately. Just go and live your life and understand that you're trading a winning statistic and you're going to win no matter what. Like on this day particularly, right? When I hopped on the chart, I just wanted to make money because I knew that, oh, I only needed $200 to get my payout. But just stop focusing on money, genuinely, and just focus on actually being a good trader and trying to find a good sale. Because look, the market always just rewards me every time I'm trying to take a good sale. I'm not just trying to hustle the market and make quick money. Like, so yeah, that's basically it. So hope you guys have a bit of an understanding of, you know, the things that I have been showing you guys. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video.